So what's what? Have you gotten to the bottom of things?
We have gotten as far as we can.
Well, what's your verdict? Am I man, or am I sink? Or am I walnut brittle? Preposterous! I don't believe it for a moment! What evidence do you have? Dare you suggest such nonsense? I've adjusted 1,000 claims in my day! That proves nothing! Yes, I was cursed! Excedrin is legal in the state of Florida. That proves nothing! How dare you! It was? That proves nothing! What? It can't be! I can't believe it! And yet...
Sinclair wobbles, staggering back against the wall.
Oh, is the room spinning? I don't feel so good.
Sinclair doubles over, holding his sides with a sickly groan.
I feel something in my pipes. Something strange. What are you trying to say, Sunsy? My word. That's done it.
He stands up to his full height, one hand resting gently on his belly, approximately.
What was that in my system? Why, I feel as if I've just returned from some sort of journey. Have I been dreaming?
Now, the moment of truth. We need to ask you one question. What is your name?
I'm Sinclair, of course.
We've done it!
Done what, Maggie?
Never you mind, Sinclair. Never you mind.
Yes. That would be nice. I am quite tired.
Shall we? Meet me back at my office. I can't believe we actually did it! Solving that case with you was one of the highlights of my existence. I barely even know what to say. That we do. And I'd love to keep solving mysteries with you. As a friend or as a lover. You do? In that case, what should we do with the rest of the day? I can think of nothing I'd like more. But I'm not sure I'll be able to think about anything but the gaze of your lovely eyes.